Well guys, welcome back to the channel. Just come down to my local B&M and actually very surprised to see a lot more of the Colocasia esculenta black sapphire gecko for just £12.50. Quite a few of them in here. Also, looks like we've also got a pink china. Judging by the leaves and everything else, it's labeled as a Colocasia green, but with that said, just having a quick look guys, these do very much resemble your pink china, so very glad to see these in store. And again, B&M seem to be supplying a lot more of the tropicals in shop here. So just taking a quick look at the tag, and you can see there, so very good sized pots. Great deal on these, so certainly if you are local to B&M, you're in the UK, pop down just to see. You might get an end of sale, end of year bargain. Certainly worth picking up a few of these if you can. I think I may have to add a few to my garden. Of course, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and follow along. See you on the next one.